to another video. This is Jacob. Guess I'm gonna do a voice. Oh, I guess we're gonna get right into this. She's gonna scrub this chair that we've never used for some reason. And we're gonna. Where'd you go? Oh, there she is. I guess we're gonna scrub this random black square on the wall. It's a chalkboard that we never use. Then we're gonna go to the walls and start cleaning these random decorations. After this video, I'm gonna have to make sure that those are straight. And we're moving on to a guardrail that we also never use. But what do I know? Geez, we're really moving along here. I guess we're gonna scrub the wall. Guess I'm just gonna get a view from our hallway closet of her scrubbing the mirror that she has to take a peek at herself every time she walks by. Now we're moving to the playroom. Gonna disinfect all the toys that our kid does not use. I wonder if she realizes that she sprayed the mirror. It's gonna leave spots. Oh. Well, here's my bathroom. Gonna use some bleach. Spray the tub down. Guess my toilet, she must think I can't aim. Time to start scrubbing the toys and bathtub. Guess we're gonna start vacuuming. Guess we're gonna get a workout in today. That would have been done by now. That also might be the reason why I don't get to vacuum very often. Gonna put the rug back on the carpet. Now I guess we're gonna vacuum downstairs.
Well, let's
let's just give our pregnant cat a heart attack while you chase her with the vacuum. No, you look cool being able to wind the cord up like that. Now we're gonna go to the sink. Guess we're using a product called Norwex. Gonna just scrub. Oh, guess we had to get some leverage on that one. Again, I would have been done by now. I don't know why it's taking her so long. Apparently there's something pretty interesting going on outside because she just keeps staring out the window. Gonna use some more Norwex. Time to scrub the sinks, even though they're going to be full in about 2 minutes. Alright, where are we going next? Oh, looks like we're going to the countertops. No idea what that stuff's actually meant for. She uses it for everything. Now we're moving on to the microwave, where we nuke random stuff for Ivana, like chicken nuggets and corn dogs. I don't know why she's cleaning it, we just bought the thing. What are we doing next? Oh, we're gonna sweep. I guess when you sweep, you gotta use your pink Crocs. Then I get yelled at for wearing shoes in the house. Oh, must be cleaning litter boxes now. Oh, I'm still sweeping. Thanks for watching.